Welcome to the top best. The best 5-pin relay is probably one of the most underrated components in your car or any electrical project. These little workhorses are essential for controlling high-power circuits with a low-power signal. In this video, we'll dive deep into what a 5-pin relay is, how it works, and why you might need one for your next project. Get ready to unlock the secrets of this amazing device. Number 5. EPAuto 3040 amp relay harness, 5-pack. This relay harness offers a high switching capability of 40A/30A. It's designed to handle heavy-duty electrical loads with ease. This ensures reliable performance in various applications. The product features a heavy-duty impact molded relay socket. It comes with 5 wires for easy installation. The socket is built to withstand demanding conditions. The wires are color-coded for easy identification, white for common, black for normally closed, and yellow for normally open. This clear configuration simplifies the wiring process. It makes it user-friendly. The package includes 5 relays and 5 relay sockets with wires. This provides everything you need for your project. You'll have multiple units to work with. Safety is a priority, with UL flame retardant 9 wires for the main contact. This feature enhances the safety of the product. It ensures it meets safety standards. What we like. This relay offers high switching capability, making it suitable for various automotive applications. The heavy-duty impact molded relay socket ensures durability and reliability. If you're looking for a relay that can handle demanding electrical loads with safety in mind, you should consider this one. What people say. The relays are sealed well so you don't have to worry about water intrusion in the relay itself. Have successfully used for electric radiator cooling fans after replacing some of the wires in the relay connector. Work well with add-on fog or driving lights. Or performing a bypass method for high and low beam when your $1 million daylight running light module expires. Number 4. IRHAPSODY 5-pack 12V DC waterproof relay kit. This is the IRHAPSODY 5-pack 12V DC waterproof relay kit. It's designed for dependable power management in your automotive applications. This kit offers a robust solution for various electrical needs. Featuring a heavy-duty pigtail and a 5-pin SPDT configuration, this relay kit ensures secure and efficient connections. The design allows for versatile use in different circuits. The relay offers excellent water repellent and dust-proof capabilities. However, it's important to avoid submerging it in water. This feature ensures durability in various environments. When inserting the relay into the socket, be careful not to force it. Forcing can bend the female connectors, potentially damaging the unit. Proper installation is key for optimal performance. The primary leads use 12 AWG tin copper wire, while the coil leads use 16 AWG. It operates at a nominal coil voltage of 12 VDC. Make sure to stay within the specified voltage range for safe operation. The coil power is 1.8 W, with a coil resistance of 80 ohms. It must operate between 6.8 VDC and release between 0.63.6 VDC. The maximum applied voltage should not exceed 15.6 VDC. Always operate the relay within its specified capabilities. It's recommended to stay 10 to 15% below the rated capacity for optimal performance and longevity. This ensures the product's reliability. What we like. This relay boasts excellent water repellent and dust-proof abilities, perfect for harsh environments. It also features heavy-duty pigtails and tin copper wires for enhanced performance. If you have a vehicle that operates in challenging conditions, you should consider this one. What people say. They appear to be a very high-quality unit. The pigtails on the plugs are 16 GA wire and they are sealed into the plug base. There's a nice silicon gasket that seals the plug into the relay bottom. It is also numbered as to what the terminals do. The wires are color-coded, red for the power in, black for ground, etc. I think they are yellow, blue, red, black and white. The relay itself has a sturdy mounting lug on the top of it as well. The set comes with a schematic showing 4 different ways to wire them up. These are a 5-pin relay. Installed under hood on Jeep CJ. Connected electric fuel pump and USB charging stations front and back. Works well so far, look well made and seal tightly. Wire is actually heavy-duty feel. I like how it comes with a rubber grommet to keep it waterproof. Number 3. Nilight 50003 are Automotive Relay Set, 5-pack. This automotive relay set offers high switching capabilities. It features a normally open 40A14 VDC and a normally closed 30A14 VDC. It's suitable for various applications. The set includes durable relays and harness sockets with 5 wires. They are made with high-grade materials to ensure superior quality. This design also ensures a long lifespan. It features a unique male-female slot design. This makes it easy to connect the relay with the harness socket. The installation is clean and neat. The relay sockets come with different colors for loads and accessories. This makes wiring simple and convenient. It is designed for ease of use. The package includes 5 relays and 5 relay sockets with wires. It is a universal fit for many automotive applications. The set comes with a 2-year warranty. What we like. This relay features a unique male-female slot design for easy and clean installation. The different colored wires make wiring simple and convenient. If you value ease of installation and a long-term warranty, you should consider this one. What people say. These 5-pin, 30-amp, relays are well made and always good to have around. I have some spares and will use them on future projects. The wiring diagram printed on them is easy to understand and straightforward for the novice. Used 2 of these to make reversible DC motor control for continuous operation, definitely excellent value. The wires are very good thickness, easy to understand schematics, and you can pull out the wires that aren't needed, 3, 4, 5 pin, to complete your project. I have connected accenting lighting to LED bars to this relay. Number 2. IRHAPSODY 4030 12V DC Waterproof Relay Kit. This is the IRHAPSODY 12V DC Waterproof Relay Kit. It's designed for automotive applications. This kit includes a heavy-duty pigtail and a 5-pin SPDT relay. The relay is rated for 4030 amp. It's recommended to stay 10 to 15% below the rated capacity. This ensures optimal performance and longevity. The relay offers excellent water repellent and dustproof capabilities. However, it's not designed for submersion in water. Make sure to install it in a protected area. When plugging the relay into the socket, be careful. Avoid pushing too hard to prevent bending the female connector. Ensure a secure connection for reliable operation. The primary leads use 12 AWG tin copper wire, while the coil leads use 16 AWG. This wiring setup ensures efficient power delivery and signal transmission. This is an SPDT relay, meaning it has both normally open and normally closed terminals. Terminal 87A is powered when inactive, switching to terminal 87 when activated. This provides versatile switching options. What we like. This relay offers excellent water repellent and dustproof abilities. It also features a heavy-duty pigtail for enhanced performance. If you are looking for a reliable relay with both normally open and normally closed terminals, you should consider this one. What people say. Work great. It has a good weight and feels extremely heavy-duty, with very thick plastic and a grommet that is so tight I struggled to get the 2 halves together. Do it before wiring and/or installing, or you'll almost surely have to take it back out. I was surprised to see that the wire was all solid copper strands and what appears to be 12 gauge. Number 1. True Mod 6-Pack 12V Relay Kit. This is a 6-pack of 12V automotive relays. They are designed to handle high switching capabilities. This kit is perfect for auto fans and car enthusiasts. The relays are Bosch style with 5 pins. They are SPDT, single-pole double-throw, relays. This design ensures reliable performance in various automotive applications. Each relay offers 40A/30A high switching capability. It can handle demanding electrical loads. This makes it suitable for various automotive components. The kit includes an interlocking design relay socket harness. This feature allows for easy cable management and organization. It simplifies the installation process. It comes with heavy-duty 14 AWG wires for the main contact. The wires are pre-wired with 6 pigtail leads. This ensures durability and ease of use. The wiring is color-coded for easy identification. Black is for ground, red for VDC, white for trigger, yellow for output NC, and blue for output NO. This makes the installation straightforward. A user manual is available for download with detailed product information. It provides comprehensive guidance for installation and usage. Make sure to check it out. What we like. This relay features an interlocking design for easy cable management. It also comes with heavy-duty 14 AWG wires for the main contact. If you like a well-organized setup with easy-to-follow instructions, you should consider this one. What people say. I used these relays in conjunction with a keyless entry module to install in my older vehicle that did not come with keyless entry. Long story short, I wanted to separate the driver's side door power lock motor to be isolated from the other door locks in order to have it unlocked separately. These relays help to separate and isolate the driver's side door lock motor. They have been working for over a week with no issues. The sockets have what appears to be 14-gauge wires for the coil and 12-gauge wire for the contacts. The sockets interlock, allowing the user to chain as many relays as desired together. The leads are just right for interconnections between relays. These are good enough for simple 12V prop building for haunted houses and escape rooms. The interlocking harnesses make assembly organized. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.